Welcome to the Piwik extension for Magento. Assuming you've downloaded and installed it into your Magento, I want to show you how to set it up. So what you're going to do is go to System, Configuration, and find Piwik's Analytics Control. To show you that again, Piwik's Analytics Control. So then what you do is you enable it by choosing Yes, include your install path and your site ID. Save Config. This will now enable Piwik on your system. So let's go to the front end and take a look at what's going on. In this case, we're going to buy a Sony Vaio laptop and a charger. Well, once we make the changes and add to cart, the information will then be passed to Piwik and go automatically into the tracking code. You don't need to do another thing. As you can see in the code here, the tracker already has updated with the Sony Vaio information and the charger. Now, should there be a change, let's say a user decides they don't want the universal charger and they update the cart, the code for Magento and Piwik will be updated and make things seamless in this way that only the Sony laptop remains. And as we can see now, we're just going to go through the checkout process. In this case, we're using the one-step checkout, but regardless of however you set up the checkout, it'll capture all the information. So should someone abandon the process, it'll be considered an abandoned cart regardless. So in this case, we're just going to go all the way through, and we're just going to use a check and money order. That's the easiest way to do it for demo purposes. And we're going to place the order. The second that we place the order, the information will be passed to Magento and it'll go into your Piwik install. And there you go. So now we're just going to continue shopping, just going around clicking a couple of things. You know, we want to get some data into the Piwik, so here we'll look at these t-shirts here. It's interesting. And let's see here, what can we do? Yeah, we're going to go and look at all the shirts. So let's take a look at all the shirts in this category, because we've also included the ability in the Piwik to look at someone that might have searched at a category. And I like this shirt here, Ink Eater. So we're going to go and we're going to click on this Ink Eater shirt. And now we're looking at it here. And we've got some information. We're going to add it to, we're going to choose a size and we're going to add it to the cart. So we're going to do that now. And it's going to update our Piwik install and Magento at the same time. Now let's say this person decided to abandon the cart completely. So we're going to just clear the shopping cart and that's it. So now we're going to go into Piwik and see what results in this. So automatically with the tracker, you're going to see on the left hand side, it's the normal stuff that you would see. And we're going to zoom in here for a second. So you can see the revenue and you can see where my mouse is there. That was an abandoned cart situation. Let's go up to the visitor log and just see a little bit more detail of what's going on. Obviously, I'm testing it, so you would see all the different things going on here. But, you know, there's checkout success, which orders, and there was an abandoned cart right there where we see that shirt that I decided that I didn't want to buy. So the information is there. And now we're going to go and also look in the e-commerce log to sort of see some of the other things that you get in there. As you can see at the top, you're going to get the orders, options, conversion rates, abandoned carts, how much was lost in the revenue. You also can see by product SKU, product name, product category, I think, yeah, we'll just go name, and that's it. That's the Piwik extension for Magento. Enjoy.